Ravens wide receiver Zay Flowers went down with a knee injury today against the Browns and was ruled out for the second half. Let's break this down. There's two impacts of concern here. First comes with that right knee swinging upward here. The Browns defender slams into the medial side of Flowers' knee. Subsequently, we have a friendly fire with Ravens lineman 72 running into the lateral side of that lower leg. From this angle, here's the medial impact followed by 72's right knee. This combination puts a varus stress on the outside of Flowers' knee. And lastly, you'll see that leg slingshot downwards towards the turf while the Browns defender lands on it, causing a violent impact with the ground. Immediately, he grabs first the outside of that knee, and subsequently, you see him massaging or pushing down on that center portion here. You can imagine the right knee having the first impact come in from this direction, and the second friendly fire from here puts these forces into motion in these directions. This combination causes a varus stress on the outside of the knee, which can stretch and sometimes tear the LCL where he first grabs. This can occur with or without meniscal involvement. Second, the high ground reaction force from the leg slamming against the turf most certainly will cause a bone bruise or contusion. Third, these torsional forces can also lead to a subluxation of the kneecap, aka the patella, where it pops out partially and then goes back in, hence him grabbing the central portion here. Fortunately, the knee was slightly bent when the mild varus stress occurred, and him walking off on his own 2 feet means a fracture and or a complete dislocation of that patella is unlikely. Best case scenario, this is a bone bruise, and worst case scenario, we're looking at an LCL or a patella subluxation. Wishing Zay a safe and speedy recovery.